Hi guys, it's Tony again. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine as always, alright? So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the secret that you need to know before you decide to promote any product, whether they are products from Clickbank or the products outside of Clickbank. So this kind of thing, it's going to involve an extra step that you need to take. So that's why there aren't many people who are willing to do it. Even those people who know this thing, only a fraction of them practice it seriously and do it as habits, because most of the people, they are lazy. But for you guys, my lovely audience, I know that you are not lazy and you are willing to do whatever it takes in order to have success at the end of your marketing career, all right? But before that, guys, I would like to show you a little bit of the features of Clickbank so that you can get a refresh a little bit before you jump into the 7 questions that I'm going to provide to you, so that you can ask the affiliate managers and the vendors of the product you are going to promote in order to get the unfair advantage out of it. All right? So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. So before I jump into the 7 questions that you need to ask your affiliate manager or the vendor of the product you would like to promote, I would like you guys to kind of refresh a little bit about the info that I talked about in the 2 previous videos in this playlist, the Clickbank affiliate marketing, because I know that some of you are new. First of all, I am at Clickbank Marketplace, guys, and then you come to the categories here, and then you choose the niche of your choice, and then you click to the sub niche. Okay, for today's example, I'm going to use the spirituality and new age niche here. Okay, you click here, and then there are sub niches that you might want to look at. Okay, or you can just click here and then the product will come out here. Okay, so there are 178 products in this niche, and you have to filter out all the products that you don't need by coming to the filter section here. Okay, so first of all, I would like you guys to come to the gravity, and normally I would recommend you to promote something 20 or 30 plus in gravity, meaning that for the past month, 30 days, how many people were able to sell that product. Okay, but in today's video, because I already have the example that I showed in the previous video of mine, and I want to have the continuity, so I am going to choose that product, and that product happens to have only 12 in gravity at this moment, so I'm going to put 12. Okay, and then the next number we need to look at is the average amount per sale, which I would recommend you to promote something at least $100, because it's going to be worth your effort. Okay, but it's up to you. I'm not so picky about this one. 50, it's fine, as long as you you resonate with that product. So here we have only 8 products that came through our filter, okay, out of 178 products in the beginning. Okay, so I already have that product in mind, and that product is the total money magnetism here. Okay, so what you want to look at first is to look at the average amount per sale. Is it more than 100, which this one is like $550, very nice. And then you need to look at the initial amount per sale, the front end sale, that if you can sell, how much you are going to earn. But there are going to be the upsells offered to your customers. If they purchase the first product, they're going to be second product and third product and so on. So that's why the total amount are 550. All right, and then there is also a recurring amount of commission as well that you are going to get, which is about $21. Okay, and the gravity score is 12.24. Okay, so after that, I would like you guys to take a look at this affiliate page here, because most of the good products out there, they normally have their affiliate page in order to provide the affiliates, the tools, and some other information that are important to their promoting. All right, and usually they have the affiliate manager who would take care about the affiliates as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this product's affiliate page. Okay, so I would like you guys to come down to the very bottom here, where you will see this contact us section here, that you will see this guy. So if you need anything okay, you need to contact this guy, Andrew Rusbatch, okay? So he's the affiliate manager, not the vendor, not the product owner, but he is designated from the vendor that he's going to take care of you guys, all right? All right, guys, let's jump into the meat and potatoes of today's video, okay? So there are 7 questions that I would like you guys to ask your vendor or the affiliate manager of the product that you would like to promote, okay? So that you can come out the best right off the gate. So the first question is, what traffic source are your top affiliate doing best with? Okay, at this moment as well, I don't want you to get the information like 6 months ago or even 3 months ago. I want the now, okay, the current information. And here, the reason that we ask this question is that we want to model off of the best people who are doing well at this moment, and we want to cut out all those 99% of the people who are doing so-so or not doing well at all, and we want to model the best. So you ask those people and you judge for yourself whether or not these traffic sources are something that you are good at. For example, if these top affiliates are doing Facebook ads and you don't know anything at all about Facebook ads, then probably you might want to take it into your consideration whether or not promoting this product is right for you, okay? So after this, I would also want you to take a look at other questions as well. If it's not for you yet, don't panic. Take a look at another question here. How much success are your affiliates having with YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads at the moment, okay? How many leads are they generating per day? What is the conversion rate for themselves, for these people, okay? And then you can kind of relate to yourself whether or not you are able to do that, okay? The higher the better, because if they are doing well, it means that even when you do, let's say 70% of these people or 80% of these people, you will get a lot of leads. And also you can compare and judge for yourself in the future if you are doing well enough or you are being left behind generating this amount of leads per day or something like that, okay? So the next question I would like you guys to look at is, what exactly are they doing on, okay, social platforms of your choice? For example, Facebook, okay? Can you elaborate? Are they doing Facebook organic, where they go to people asking questions, or they do like Facebook groups or some other Facebook page things where they try to make relationship with people? They go to the messenger and the inbox there and then ask people one by one and so on. That's organic. Or they do something like on their Facebook profile where they persuade friends and family in order to make sales and so on. So you might want to ask the vendor or the affiliate manager about that question. If they are doing paid ads, okay, you can also relate to yourself. Do you know how to do Facebook ads? If not, then it's probably not for you, but please wait and consider other questions after this, okay? So let's say if they do Facebook ads, you might want to ask these questions like, do you know what demographics and targeting is working on Facebook ads to your audience? And are people doing better with mobile newsfeed ads or desktop newsfeed ads or desktop right column ads? You can see that this thing can be like very specific, it's very specific to Facebook. If you don't know Facebook ads at all, you are not going able to come up with these kind of questions, all right? So I take the example of Facebook so that you can understand that actually if they do like paid ads, okay, what kind of paid ads are they actually like specialized in or like they do heavily in? For example, is it mobile newsfeed ads or desktop newsfeed ads or the right column ads, okay? So that you can cut out all the crap and then just focus on the things that really makes you money, okay? Can you share a sample ad from one of your top affiliates, okay? Sometimes it's not possible because it's secret and it's more like ethical stuff, so they might not want to give that to you, but sometimes, hey, it's okay. They also might want to, let's say, go and ask for the permission from the guy who is doing well, whether or not they want to share. If they do, they give you the green light, then you can have that and then you model off of that. I don't want you to copy, I want you to model off of the best ads that are doing well at that moment, okay? So you never know, but you can always ask, all right? So the next one, can you share a sample landing page or a capture page of one of your top affiliates, okay? A landing page or a capture page is a page that comes in between the sales page and Facebook, okay? Because most of the time people, I would say that 100% of the time, Facebook doesn't want their users to go directly to the sales page because it's considered scammy, and also Facebook really care for the customers or the users experience, so they don't want their users to be lured into something that is sketchy or scammy, because there are so many reports there. So that's why Facebook has shut down thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of accounts so far, okay? So you want to model which one really works, okay? So this one can cut out all the crap for yourself. For example, you might want to take a look at the color scheme, the messaging, and the layout overall, so that you can model off of the successful landing page or the capture page, all right? So the sixth question, do you offer pay bumps? If so, how do I qualify, okay? So it's all about negotiations, guys, because you might think that, oh, Clickbank products normally give you like 70% plus in commission compared to other platforms like Amazon, which they give less than 10% in most products there. You might think that it's already high. Hey, but you never know that these guys have any criteria to let you into that, let's say, the special offer for you guys. And you can always ask. You never know that there is such thing, you know, so it's down to negotiation. I used to promote something that at the beginning they give you only 75% of the commission in the front end sale, and then after a certain amount of sales that you generate, you can ask them, and they give me like 90% of the commission of the front end sale. So it's just down to your negotiation, okay? And they might come up with the criteria like, if you generate me 100 sales, I will give you the pay bump from 75 to 90 or even to 100. Don't think that it's impossible. It's possible, guys. It's just down to negotiation, okay? So the next one, after seeing your top affiliates promote your offer, what can you tell me that will help me promote your offer on probably Facebook or YouTube? So more or less, it's like, is there anything else that you would like to tell me so that I can, you know, sell more and you can also make more money? So it's a win-win situation here, guys. So you can always ask like, is there any tips and tricks that I really need to know? And yeah, some of them will tell you, some of them might not tell you, some of them might not have anything to tell. Some of them just don't want to reveal anything, okay? But most of the good affiliate managers or the vendors, they will give you as much information as possible so that you can make most sales possible. Take your time, consider about these questions after you have been through the filter process. You know, after you get, let's say, 3 products in mind and you are kind of undecided which product you would go into. Some of the question here may be a bit too frank and they might not give you your feedback or anything yet, but it's always, you know, a possibility that you can ask and you can also get the best. But you should also bear in mind that you need to be very polite. You need to take a look at your wording. Is it like polite or is it too frank and something like that? Try to make it soft, but also get to the point. Because in the end of the day, guys, you need to understand that these people, they want to make money. And once you make money, they also get money. So it's as simple as that. So the more money you make, the more money they get. So there is no reason why that they don't want to talk to you. And especially the affiliate manager, their job is to talk to you guys, is to build relationship with the affiliates and so on. So they are there for you to talk to. But once you get all this information, it's always golden to your marketing campaign. All right. So I hope you get a lot of value from this video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below if you have anything that you want me to answer. I'm more than happy to get to you guys as soon as possible. And also if you want to know what I am promoting at this moment, which is a high ticket affiliate program, that you can learn everything I've learned here, and you want to cut the learning curve and everything, click the first link below. I already provide with you video training for free for you to take a look at affiliate marketing as a whole, as a big picture, and these things can help speed up your marketing campaign and your success in the end. All right, so thank you very much for your attention. It's Tony Sees signing off for now.